cook Gambia. We're gonna cook chicken yassa today. Okay, let's shop. You know,
Transaksi pembayaran
we have a small one if you want this.
transaksi menggunakan debit BCA tidak dapat kami lakukan karena
Okay guys, today we gotta cook Gambian local food chicken yassa with Madam Fana. So this is the ingredient guys. We need some paprika, tomato, onion, red chili, black pepper, yellow mustard, and also carrot, potato, and chicken. And Fana is cleaning up the chicken. And then mix it. And black pepper.
Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze,
Yeah, only with two is enough. That's enough.
zungangishilana. Dawo yami,
Oh,
ayikholana, sowami, awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami, dawo. I'm on my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. Oh, I had the time of
just in front of you. Marinate the onion with mustard, black pepper, and our secret seed.
dirty bit. Dirty bit.
Whoa!
I came up in here to ride, light a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go. Let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can't do it no more. We gon' rock it to the
Well
sound,
done.
turn it up and watch it pound. We
Ladder,
gon' rock
be
it to the
careful.
top until the roof gon' burn it down.
Below.
Yeah, it's hot in her. The temperature is got these ladies getting freaky.
I got freaky, freaky, baby. I was chillin' with my ladies. I didn't come to get bougie. I came here to get crazy. I was born
chicken yassa, everyone. Sudah mau jadi, guys.
And I never felt this way before. And I swear that I'm on my